We were out this morning fishing, and that's about as local as it gets. Being able to put together a meal that you caught, you gardened, you cooked. We had the new Maiden fishing knife, very cool. Caught some bluefish, blue handle knife, bluefish, why not? So we're gonna fillet the fish. Now, what I like to do is start with the fish away from me, okay? And try to make one cut, kind of on a diagonal, right behind this pec fin here, towards the head. What I like to do is take one cut right down the back of the fish. And then once I get halfway down, I like to just take the knife, put it right through, and then come right down the spine. We don't want the skin on, the skin's not scaled. We'll get rid of the skin simply by just taking the knife underneath, right up against the skin, but not cutting through it. So I'm angling down towards the skin, but with very little pressure, just so I don't cut through the skin. If I angle too far down and cut through the skin, too far up, I'll take too much meat off. Trim off the tail. Trim this down here. That's it. This one we're gonna make a ceviche with it, or a little crudo, and then we're just gonna clean up the back of the fish. For the ceviche, we'll start with just juicing some lemon, lime, and a little bit of orange. When it's fresh, I think it's a really good fish, either cooked or raw. And that's it, and then we let it marinate, because you do want this to marinate. This isn't, you want it to cook a little bit. You want the acid and the salt to start cooking this fish a bit. Okay, so you do want it to just sit for a little bit, not too long, and you want to serve this really well chilled. A little bit of oil and some butter in the pan. Season the fish, salt. It's going to go right in. I like a gentler heat. And again, this is also the benefit of having a really high quality pan. It holds that heat where you don't need to cook at really, really high heat. You can cook on gentle heat. And I think that's a better way to cook fish anyway. You get this really nice little brown butter sauce. And that's it. Delicious.